Today is Monday, August 1st. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado front and rear fender extension filler set from my friend Alex Marzano in California. This is a complete set comprising the front nose fillers, the horizontal headlamp extensions, the rear tail light quarter panel extensions, and the horizontal lay down bumper panels to facilitate the open cavity for the brake lights, unique and specific to 75 and 76. Unlike 77 and 78, whereby the horizontal filler panels are solid, in 75 and 76, they have a cavity for the brake lights. These units have been precision routed around the edge perimeter in order to facilitate the extremely wide chrome banding used on the quarter panels to give it the period correct look. And those are applied now only for visual purposes. They'll be removed when the body shop goes ahead and paints these units, as these are only pre-primed and have not been finish painted for my friend Alex. I do provide fully finished fender extension fillers in all of the colors, including the very difficult to match number 36 Firethorn Red, which is kind of my claim to fame when it comes to the fillers. But in this particular instance, this is a show quality set of fillers that have been polyester printed with the aromatic base. It's an abiotic compound, and they have been precision routed in order to facilitate the mounting of the chrome trims on the end of the quarter panel extension. So these will be going out to my friend Alex today. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1976 and 8 Cadillac Eldorados, over 375,000 1959 to 1976 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, power door locks and switches, and other critical, hard to source original vintage Cadillac items such as these beautiful Eldorado filler extension sets. Okay, today is Monday, August 1st. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.